Alright guys, big up TeflonDon, you know.
Streets, you know?
Yeah.
Bigger than in the streets.
What's up YouTube? Me there again with another boom video. You see it? Today we're going to talk about the hot topic. You can't go nowhere and I hear people talk about this topic. Shenseea, Jada Kingdom. We're going to hit the streets today to find out who the people them like more. You know, and what me say and what the people them say. You guys, very important. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe, like and share and turn on the notification button for future videos. Bless up yourself. Boom. Yes, people, we here with what's it?
Bigger than in the streets, you know?
Yeah.
Bigger than in the streets.
Yeah man, bless up man. Yeah man, hot topic in our place. We're talking about Shenseea and Jada Kingdom.
That's it.
So, it's everywhere. Everybody are talk about it. What's your opinion? Who, Team Jada or Team Shenseea?
Well, when me say I'm still, you know, Jada Kingdom, I say still, you know, when the clash, you know, although, you know, kick off a real way yet, but
Yeah.
Jada Kingdom come out with some tough lyrics. But
Yeah,
nah,
man.
like,
Man
not
thing.
even start DJ or nothing yet.
Yeah.
I just sing, she a sing.
Surprise.
Yeah, man, so be lyrics.
Yeah, man.
She on point too.
Yeah man.
You see me?
You
Give
sure?
them everything
Yeah,
on
yeah.
point, brother.
Yeah? The shows are not true, she look good.
Nah, man, I'm not sure she look good, man.
Bad.
On point to that key, man, the tune bad.
Yeah.
I take in yesterday and I say, yeah, everything on point.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so you want to big up some of your friends, them family?
Yo, me I say, me I big up the Dan them. Bubba Dan, don't know, big up Dodo. So me I say, the whole team Joker crew. You see it, thing large, up and running man, spooky than in the
Bless up
streets.
yourself.
You see it, bless
Go.
up.
Please, big up for yourself. I'm here with,
Lauren Erie, Michaela Smith, Chanel.
yes, ladies. I'm asking about the clash between Shenseea and Jada Kingdom. Ladies, I like your opinion on Shenseea and Jada Kingdom clash. Who you think win the clash? Jada Kingdom or Shenseea, and why?
Well, I would say Shenseea, best artist.
Yeah? So you listen to the diss track?
No.
So you You must listen to it, that's why you have an opinion. Yeah, man.
Mr. Shenseea, the reason why Mr. Shenseea because she's my first female artist in dancehall.
Yeah? So you're Team Shenseea?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, I said Team Shenseea, but I want to find out why Jada Kingdom and Shenseea
clash.
So you don't like the clash team?
No.
Alright.
A clash thing then.
You have to take along. Yeah, man. So you pick up your friend and your family?
Well, I want to pick up my best friend Michaela, Neela. I want to pick up my mother, my sister.
And big up everybody.
I want to pick up a wonderful boy named Russia.
On best friend Chanel, my close sister Nelia, and my relative. Big up to you all.
I would like to pick up my friend Chanel, Ishi, and my rest of the family.
Yeah, respect. Bless up yourself.
Bless up
Thank you.
yourself.
Alright guys, big up TeflonDon, you know. Yo, the man channel I go wicked. Yo, right now, may I tell you, may I check out the Shenseea and Jada Kingdom clash? Yo, Shenseea, I like you still about Jada Kingdom.
Want to rub it more Jada Kingdom, rub it out.
What you doing?
I'm okay. I am Obel Thomas.
Yes.
I attend the Frankfurt High School.
Yes, I would like your opinion on the Jada Kingdom Shenseea clash. Who you think win? Are you Team Jada or Team Shenseea? And tell us why.
Well, my opinion on both of them, I don't think it was really called for because they grew up together. Still, I'm choosing Jada Kingdom because she actually made a track while Shenseea just recorded a freestyle. So I'm saying straight Jada Kingdom.
Jada Kingdom. Alright, respect. Big up your friend them and your family.
Well, I want to big up Deandra Byru, Sugar Frankfurt on her birthday on November 15th, that's next week Friday.
Who?
I want to big up Nika Tony Thomas, him there fine, and my brother that I love him still. I want to big up Shaquille, that I'm a big bro. I love him forever. I want to big up my mother and my father, they make me there still.
Yeah, man. Respect. Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Sean White.
Yeah, man. Team Shenseea or Team Jada, and why?
Team Shenseea. Because Shenseea have more talent to me than Jada Kingdom.
Yeah.
And she in her business more long.
Yeah.
And she do collaboration with more bigger artists like the collaboration that she do with Tiger.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah, man. So, you're Team Shenseea.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up your friend, you know, and your family.
Oh, big up my ATM family and mother R.J. Hansen, father Paul White and the other.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Respect. See YouTube, like I said, and I want me say, I want the people them say. And some of them say Team Jada, some people say Team Shenseea. Yeah, man. So, bless up yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.